Hello toppers, today we will be discussing regarding how to prepare for assistant medical officer posting homeopathy from Tamil Nadu. So this video is completely based on the experiences of our team through competitive exams. So we are going to share that in detail. First, pattern of MRB. It is a computer based exam and it will be having 200 multiple choice questions and the duration is 2.5 hours. Then the maximum mark is 100 and there is no negative mark, so be clear. And the syllabus is completely UG syllabus. So let's see what are all the practices we have to do before the exam. So we have to read the instructions carefully and we should know which question mark will be allotted and which question will not be considered or discarded based upon the different colors. Like in AAPGT we have different rules and in case of UPSC we have different rules. So we have to be clear regarding this MRB also before the examination. And if we are going for the mark for for the computer based exam for the first time, we have to do the mark before attending the exam. Then time management, which is more and more important. We should not rush at the last. Then we have to practice the assertion and reasoning question. So just studying the multiple choice question pattern will not help us in clearing this assertion and reasoning, because for assertion and reasoning you should know the concept of the disease or concept of particular thing or regarding program, whatever it may be. You should know the whole concept to answer this type of assertion and reasoning questions. Then we have to read the question very carefully, because there are lot of chances to get into careless mistakes, like we will be missing out the exception given in the last of the question and we will be going for the wrong answer by seeing at the question and the choices for the first time. So be clear and you have to be clear with reading the question completely. Then how to prepare. So this is completely tentative and there is no exact blueprint. We had made the device this based upon the previous question papers. So the allied subjects we can expect from 40 to 50 percentage and homeopathic subjects we can expect 50 to 60 percentage. Even it may change because we don't have any hard and fast rule or we don't have any blueprint. So here we will be seeing regarding the portions to be focused on last moment revision. So we are just talking regarding the last moment revision based upon the experiences of other competitive exams. So and here we will be dealing mainly with the major subjects. So in case of Materia Medica, we have to be clear with Allen's keynote from top to bottom, then relationships, then common names and family name, temperament, constitution, those type of questions. And then Boric one-liners, that also more important. So other than this, we can think about reading Kent Materia Medicas, Nash leaders. But these things are more important, which had been displayed in the screen. Then Arganon. In Arganon, aphorisms and their numbers are more and more important than life history of pioneers and our master. And then different editions and the number of aphorism presenting in each edition. These questions are more and more important, like editions of Arganon, editions of Materia Medica Pura, editions of chronic disease. Everything is more important. Then in case of pharmacy, we should be clear regarding the sources. Then prescription writing, like these in these chapters we can expect surely at least one question. Then drug powers, that is old and new methods. Then pharmacopoeia related questions. Then at last there will be surely some question from vehicle, which is more important topic in pharmacy and confusing also. In case of repertory, we have to go for hunting of rubrics of the basic repertories. Then remedies in the rubrics, like single rubric remedies, everything. And then conversion, like if there is a, if the symptoms had been given in the question, we have to convert it into a rubric. Then regarding the years of repertories, And in case of community medicine, the most important topic to be focused are years of the programs. Different types of governmental programs have been there, so we should know the years of the program. Then regarding the infection chapter is very vast, and we can expect infection chapter questions in case of community medicine, in case of practice of medicine point of view, in microbiology and in parasitology also. Then nutrition and environment. Then, in case of practice of medicine, we should know the chromosome numbers like HLA B27 in case of seronegative spondyloarthropathy, and in case of retinoblastoma, it is chromosome 13. Those numbers we should be clear. Then, different signs and symptoms according to that particular disease, like pathogenetic symptoms, everything we should know. And we should focus on the named syndromes, and we should know the most common and least common. For example, in case of lung CA, we should know the most common lung CA also and least common one also. And then scales like Glasgow Coma scales and lot different types of scales are there. This is just an example. And then diagnostic criteria. For example, in case of SLA, we are having diagnostic criteria. Then in RHD, that is rheumatic heart disease, we are having diagnostic criteria. So those diagnostic criteria for the common diseases, we should be very clear. And in case of surgery, the first and foremost thing we should know is triad, and regarding the normal range of all the metabolites and the basic lab investigation values, and then the diagnostic criteria and different types of regimen followed in surgery, and then regarding the homeopathic therapeutics. And in case of obstetrics and gynecology, we should know the normal ranges like anatomy and physiology of female reproductive system, and we can expect clinical questions in case of practice of medicine and obstetrics and gynecology. They will be presenting a case, and we have to arrive at the diagnosis either, or we have to arrive at the investigation of choice in particular. Then therapeutics related to obs and gynecology. Then, in case of forensic medicine and toxicology, we should know regarding the dosages, different types of toxins, and we should be very clear regarding the IPC sections and years related to different rules and regulations like MTP Act, everything is there. And then named symptoms in different poisonings, we should know. And in case of pathology, we should know the histological findings, like named histological findings like Michaelis Guttman bodies, Negri bodies, then Arrowa Perkin bodies. Those things are more and more important. And named signs and syndromes, these are also more important things in pathology. In case of anatomy, we have to memorize all those things like ossification timing, types of joints, normal values. Like in case of particular organ, we should know the location exactly, their spine level, and their weight and their length and breadth. Everything we should know in organs, abdominal organs. Then regarding the arteries and venous branches, then nerve root. And in case of physiology, we should know the normal functions of, like, for example, it is cardiac cycle, and normal ranges in case of blood, total body fluids, then lung capacities, etc. Then still now we have discussed only the major subjects, and it is just a last moment revision topics, and you have to go in detail in other subjects like biochemistry, dermatology, microbiology, parasitology, venereal diseases, and lot other subjects are there. So just focus on all the thing, and these things you can use as a last moment revision. And all the best to all the medical officers, and thank you so much from our side.